Hi, I'm Leonie Ramont and I'd like to show you the iTouch. These are the things I'll be showing you in this short video. If you ever get lost, just click the Home button to take you back to the Applications screen. Now to wake it up, you can press this button or the Home button, and that will bring up this slider. Now just slide that across and you'll come to the Home screen. The Home screen has lots of icons for your applications, and you can also create bookmarks, and I'll show you how that's done later. Do remember to check that the top left corner has a wireless icon. Make sure that it has 3 or 4 bars if you want to watch any video. Okay, I'm going to show you how to take notes. That's the yellow icon. And you might want to create some notes. So this little plus icon here at the top, which gives you a new note and a keyboard. If you turn this sideways, you'll see that you can use the keyboard a bit more easily to type. I'm obviously just going to type a little bit of nonsense. The X button deletes. This is your shift key on the side, and also this gives you all the other characters. Now when I've finished my note, I hit done, and if you have a look at the bottom here, there's a little envelope that allows me to email it to myself. Okay, so this iTouch is connected to the Anglia email. You'll know if yours is or not, and if it is, you'll find that you've only got to type in a few letters and it will find the contacts, the university email address base. So it's found my name. I'm going to press the send button in the top right corner and you'll hear it go. Okay. This time I'm going to show you Google Maps, which is a very powerful little application. That's this little icon down the bottom here. I've already entered the email address for our Anglia Ruskin Rivermead campus, and you'll see the little pin there that indicates where it is. Now the beauty of the iTouch interface is that you can zoom in by just pinching outwards or zoom out by pinching in. At the bottom right corner there's a little scrolly bar, and if you touch that you'll see that you can choose various options for your map. I've selected hybrid because I really like that view. Now you can also see that if you touch the pin you get this icon, this little brown man icon, and if I touch that it takes me to Street View. Now you can then very easily scroll around. Okay, down the bottom here is the Safari icon, and I've already selected the BBC website because they've done a brilliant job for creating a website for mobile devices, and you might just want to find that yourself. In the window at the top here, it says Google, and so this is the Google search window. I've already entered Anglia Ruskin's name there, and if I hit Google, it will take us straight to our website. So if I select that icon, you'll see the progress bar at the top, and it goes straight to our website. Now to zoom in, you double click, and you can also zoom in more detail if you wish, and of course you can select any of the icons. Double tap to zoom out. Now if I want to add a bookmark to the home screen, there's a little plus icon down the bottom here, and if I touch that, then you'll see the option Add to Home Screen. I select that, and it gives me the icon on the side and the name, which I would shorten. But for the purpose of this exercise, I'm just going to click Add, and you'll see that it automatically adds an icon there to the home screen, so that it will take you directly to whatever website you've bookmarked. Now I'm going to click on the home icon again, and if I want to delete any of these, any applications or any bookmarks I've created like that, I just touch them and they start to wriggle with a little cross, and I click on that little cross. It wants to confirm that I want to delete it, and then I just touch the home button again and it's back to normal, and we can go back to the... Okay, I'd like to show you the photo album because it has lots of good features. So the sunflower icon is the photo album, and I'm just going to show you the photo library, which has lots and lots of my photos in it. And here I have photos of a conference. So or a workshop. Let me show you. You can just scroll through them. You can also zoom in, and by double tapping, or like you did before with the website, by pinching in and out. Now, if there is a particular photo that has some detail that might be useful to remember, for instance, then you can actually zoom in and take a screenshot of it by holding the home button and the on and off button. So I'll do that. And now when I go back to the photo album, which is, I've tapped it twice to zoom out and then once to bring up this menu at the top, I can go to the photo library, the photo albums, and here in the saved photos is where that particular close-up is. Now, as with any photo, but I'm going to just do it with this close-up, I can now email it. I'd like to finally show you the iTunes store, specifically because they have a university area with a huge wealth of resources. Now, the iTunes store has all the normal options, but here in the bottom right-hand corner where it says More, that's where the iTunes U is hidden. So there's a lot of universities have uploaded lectures on a huge diverse range of things. Now I'm going to select categories for this demonstration. I just want to show you how the video works. So I'll take something like lively to demonstrate. So here's some guitar lessons, and here is your first lesson.
You get to play with a bass player, a drummer,